Hello everyone, my name is Jesse and this is Jessica, my daughter, and we're doing a cover, Sounds of Silence. Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp, I turn my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sounds of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share. And no one dare disturb the sounds of silence. Falsetto you do not know, silent like a cancer grows. Hear the words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, an echo of silence, and the people bow to pray to the Nyan God he made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that he was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written in the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered
in the sound of silence.